Hi, this is Julie with Bead, and I'm going to show you how to make a really simple minimalistic seed bead earring. So this is perfect for summertime. This is a nice classic simple design. I've been seeing this a lot in boutiques, so that's why I wanted to make it for you here. So we have a really pretty modern earring hook. So this is a clef design. And we have this length of seed beads on a head pin that we've just done in 3 different colors. I have a gold, a chartreuse, and a light cream. You can pick out whatever colors you want. These are Miyuki Delica, size 11-0. And we're just going to be using a 2-inch head pin. Now you can make it longer by using a 3-inch or shorter by using like a 1.5-inch. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to do. For tools, you're just going to need a round nose plier or a pair of wire looping pliers and a chain nose plier. So I've already done the first one here that you can see. It's just basically this long, nice stick of the Delicas. So I'm going to create the same pattern as I did here for the second one. Now, before I get started, I'm going to just go like this and straighten out my head pin because sometimes they get a little bit dented and kind of twisted around in our jewelry making supplies. I know mine sure do. Okay, so I'm going to put on 5 of the gold seed beads. And you can do whatever colors you want and whatever pattern you want. But to make mine match, I'm going to do 5 gold, 1 of the green, and I'm just putting them on here. I'm just picking it up with the actual head pin itself. I'm going to do 1 more gold, 2 greens, 2 more golds. Let those guys just slide down. And if you're making these to maybe sell, you can imagine how many earrings you can make with just 3 tubes of seed beads. It's pretty crazy. All right, let's keep going. So now let's do 3 more greens. Then we're going to do a gold, and then a cream, and a green, and a gold, and then 2 more creams, 1 more green, a gold, and then 3 creams, 1, 2, 3, we're almost there, 1 more green, and 3 more creams. Okay, so we're gonna line these 2 up to make sure that they look the same. And that looks like it's the same to me. Okay, so now if you look at our top, we've left about 1/3 of an inch on its way to 1/2 of an inch. So we're just looking at, we're guessing how much we need to make our little loop. And we're gonna do a simple wire loop. We're not doing a wrapped one. I chose a simple one just because I really wanted to keep this design very clean and elegant. You'll also notice I don't have a ball head pin. I love ball head pins, but I wanted it to be very modern looking. So I just have that nice blunt edge. Okay, so now you're gonna hold all your beads down and you're gonna go up towards the end, just a little bit away from your beads. You see there's that little gap in there, and you're just going to make a loop. And you're going to go ahead and crisscross your wire. Now I am using a 22 gauge head pin. You can do a 21 as well. I would not do a 24 for this though. It might be a little too weak. Okay, so our wire is crisscrossed. Now we just need to trim it. So we trimmed it. And then we're going to straighten it up. And now we're going to go to our earring hook and we're going to open the little loop at the base of our earring hook the same way we would open a jump ring and slip this on. Now the reason I am not opening up the loop on the actual head pin is because I don't want to stress the area right by the beads. I have beads up there really close and I don't want to accidentally pinch them and do anything to hurt the beads. There we go though. That was so easy, and we have a really clean, elegant, simple, minimalistic seed bead earring. And like I said, I've been seeing this all over the place this summer, the spring, summer, just a very popular, clean design, perfect for just going out, having fun, and you just want that little extra something. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. There are many, many more over at beadaholic.com.